Here. Heel. Sit. Down. Very good. Stay. Listen, people that think all Presas are created equal, they have no idea. Okay? This is 26 years of selective breeding. This dog here is 155 pounds solid muscle, and he listens to me and responds to me and everything that I need him to do. Heel. Heel. Sit. These are the things that aren't equal when you talk about a Presa Canario. They're not all the same. They're not all going to have this temperament, this look, this size, being this responsive, being this eager to please. This is a special dog from a very long selective breeding program. If you want the very best, I can help you out, but you got to give me a call. Thanks for watching my video.